Name the largest single man-made structure on the planet.
Oh.
I'm not falling for that one.
No way. No way.
Is it going to be a 50-mile-long tunnel or a bridge or something like that?
What we've got out of the way, because it's hanging here like
Yeah.
a worry,
Yeah.
is it's not the Great Wall of China.
Oh, OK.
Yeah.
Try a continent where it might be.
Europe.
OK.
Europe is not where it is.
Asia.
Australia.
Nor Asia, nor Australia,
North America.
nor North America.
South America.
Nor South America.
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Nor Antarctica.
Arctic.
Russia.
Africa.
Africa! Thank you.
I'm glad I'm
I really hope Ban Ki-moon isn't watching this one.
No, it's embarrassing.
So is it an Egyptian? Is it North?
It's Nigeria, in fact.
Oh.
It's the great earthworks of Benin.
The
And
great
they-
earthworks of Benin.
Yeah. Sometimes called the walls of Benin.
The wall called Benin.
Defensive
Earthen
earthworks
walls of Benin in...
dug by the Edo people. 10,000 miles in
Miles
length.
of it.
10,000 miles.
By the Edo.
10,000 miles in length.
How could I forget?
I know. 4 times longer than the Great Wall of China.
Okay.
Puny little wall.
Consumed 100 times more material than the Great Pyramid of Cheops. Took 700 years and an estimated 150 million hours of digging. Severely damaged by the British when we sacked and burned Benin in 1897.
Aren't the British? Yes,
Right.
well, they just wouldn't do as they were told. There's only so much gentle persuasion we've got time for. Sack and burn them, fuck the earthworks.
More or less exactly what happened. Yeah.
And then we twisted the knife by not remembering Africa existed.
What did they build it for?
Defensive.
Keep out the British, I imagine.
You weren't very well,
Come the white folk. Dig!
Of course, you could argue that the Eurasian road network is a bigger thing because it covers Portugal all the way to Siberia.
You can drive across
so
the
who-
It's
whole
all
lot.
connected by road.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
You know, it's...
So who do we take this up with? The Guinness Book of Records? Or do we go to Nigeria?
And it was-
Okay, I think you found we've got something bigger, actually.
Yeah.
Further twist the knife again.